This is April in Kiruna, and I'm not sure if this is anomalous weather at this time of year because until yesterday it was actually getting quite warm, and at least the road in front of the house, which is now completely white like it used to be, um, was quite bare and grey, and I could see the asphalt because the temperatures had warmed up quite enough that the water melted away simply. And that car that just went by, that was a Tesla. Those are quiet. Wow. But here we are towards the middle of April, and today it has been snowing ever since I woke up. That's been a couple of hours. So I don't know if it's going to stop, but it's really nice, and it's nice to be here.